guys, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with the new releases for this week. This week is our 5-year anniversary, which is just wild to me, and I wanted to put together a little bundle. We have a lot going on. We're actually going to be moving in like 2 weeks. But I did want to put something out for my 5 years. So we have some custom exclusive art. We are going to be doing a bundle. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what is in the bundle first. I will leave more information down below for you guys on this. This will be a limited bundle. I don't know if we're going to be bringing any of this stuff back to the shop. It's going to kind of be like based on what is left after the bundle sells, just because I want everyone to have the opportunity to purchase it. But it's going to be at a great price. I think we decided on $39.95, and you guys are going to see all of the stuff that you get with it, and there's quite a bit. So let's actually go through the kit first, and then we'll go through all of the extras. This is in a little bit of an older format, not too old. Let me see. So it just has the icon, so that's like one format back, and the older freebie. So let's go ahead and get into the kit itself first. We do have something else exciting happening that I think you guys are gonna really like, but I'll get to that at the end. So let's go through this. So I wanted to do something very like me, planner related, just because it is my 5-year, and I think that's a really big milestone. So I wanted to do a kind of a kit. Actually, Jessica made this mood board for this kit, kind of based around my aesthetic, I guess, which I feel like a lot of planner girls, like we all have like pretty similar aesthetics, but like, you know, this isn't just my aesthetics. We all got something in there. We like the pink, we like the Louis, we like marble, things like that, gold. I try to do like, you know, different things. Like I know a lot of people like celestial, so there's more celestial coming in the future, magical things, you know, stuff like that. But I just want to do something kind of based on me. So the full box is here, kind of has like, I have a little tin can with pen gems in it, and then I have like this little washi container, and like this purse is super cute, and then my iced drink. You have the little kit from, I think this was the planner party kit last year, and then here's Emily like as her little assistant, and then you have the like planner here and my photo on Instagram, and then there's me with my planner. And I just think it's super cute and just kind of just like overall kind of like chic planner girl style. There's no way really of describing this besides just like goals, my goals at least. Then this has like the faux gold glitter accents throughout, which is super, super cute. Then this is the functional page, and then you have your half boxes page, have your extra full box here, which is super cute, and then you have the icons, which is, like I said, one format back. You have your little things, your headers, your tons of deco over here, which you could totally use a lot of this deco later on as like just planner deco, which I think is nice. And then you have your bottom washi, which is just marble, which is my favorite thing in the whole entire world. So that is the ultimate kit. So there's the ultimate kit, that's a $30 value there. And then let's go ahead and show you some of the extras. So I'll show you guys this, and then you can kind of consider everything else a freebie. So I think we're gonna do $39.95 for the bundle, so that kind of like is just encompassed in these two things. So this is actually a marble wiggle, which is on the matte paper, which is really exciting, with the really beautiful champagne foil that I love, I'm obsessed with. So this is super cute and is very versatile because it's marble. So this is the wiggle format, and this is normally, if you buy all 5, it is a $10 value, so you're kind of getting your value's worth with these 2 items, and you can kind of consider the rest of them as free extras. So you have the bottom washi page, you have the icons page, you have the flag page, you have the date cover page, and then you have the bow headers page. This is like the 4th video I'm filming today. Then you have the glitter sampler, the old style. Like I said, this was printed a while ago. You have the 15mm strip. You have these super cute, just kind of like the clip art, but bigger, just because I think they'd be really cute to kind of use for planning and for Starbucks. Then you have this adorable Once More with Love. It's on glossy with the kind of like kit colors for different planning, which is super cute. And then also there is an extra for extra girls. So you have like a medium skin tone, and then also a little bit of a darker skin tone, so you can kind of use any of those. And then last but not least, there is washi included, so it's like you're getting all of those extras for free. Like I said, I don't know if we're going to have any extra to bring to the shop later. So these are the 4 washis that come in the set, and they are all with the champagne the champagne foil. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my open rolls. So you have this really, really gorgeous pink. Then you have your coral. You have your pattern here. The pattern is a little bit messed up, so that's why we did these as a freebie. And then you have your white, which is super pretty and very usable in many spreads. So those are the 4 washies, super cute, and it's like you're getting the washi. I would assume this would go with the kit. You're getting your washi, you're getting your munchkins, your extra little clip art page, your 15mm strip, and your glitter sampler faux free. So that is everything that comes in the bundle. They are limited quantity. I'm hoping that I stocked enough for everyone who wants one to get one. And you can use any like normal shop coupons if you meet the order minimum, which everything will still be in shop. So definitely don't forget your PR coupons or anything like that. But these will be available this Friday at noon Eastern. I don't really know why I did this TBH. It's just kind of giving me a little bit, working on my nerves. So also coming to the shop this day, which I think is super exciting and a lot of you guys are going to be really pumped about because it's been something that's been requested for a really long time. I've always known it's going to be in the works, but I wanted to save it for my 5-year because if you're picking up the bundle, you can get this as well. So these are also going to be limited stock, and these are going to be, we're going to call them foil starter packs, so they're going to be under the, they're just going to call it foil starter packs. I don't know where I was going with that. So these are in, let me show you. These are essentially Wiggles. This is what they look like. The weekend banner is cut out on these. So these are Wiggles, and I'm going to be discounting them to the $10 mark for this weekend only. But they are limited, of course. All of our foil is, and this is in our silver. So it'll match all your silver spreads, but you'll be able to pick these up with the new releases. So these will be available for $10. So that's the Wiggle price. Friday at noon Eastern as well. So you have silver, you have our gold, and then you also have our rose gold. A lot of people have been wanting Wiggles in the main color, so we're going to be having these as, you know, bundled up for $10, available with this at noon Eastern on Friday. And I'm actually going to be discounting all Wiggles that are in the shop, all packs of Wiggles that have been released as a Wiggle, not like the mystery or anything, but the Wiggles to $10 as well. So those are going to be discounted in case you want to pick up any past Wiggles that are in the shop. So like I said, this will be available, the whole thing right here, for $39.95, which is a great deal. I think a really great anytime kit with a lot of items that you can use in different spreads as well. And like I said, I really love all of these washies. It's like you're getting the washies and then these extras here for free, which is a great value. And then along with that, you can use like a PR coupon code or something, which make it even cheaper. Then you can also pick these up. So like I said, these will be available for $10 each for this weekend only, along with all of the past Wiggles I'm going to put on sale. Of course, all of these items are not in limited stock, and they could sell out, so definitely log on at noon to pick those up. That is everything for this video, and let me know if you guys have any questions down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.